Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing okay. So today's video is gonna be about a PC build, a budget PC build to edit your 4K videos. With this PC you can almost edit 1080p videos, 4K videos, also play. You can easily edit your 1080p 4K videos in Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or you can also apply some heavy effects in After Effects. The first component of our PC build is going to be our motherboard, and I am choosing Gigabyte B450M. Well, this motherboard has M2 slots. It also supports first, second, third generation of AMD Ryzen processors. Moving on to our second component, which is our processor. I am choosing a AMD Ryzen 5 2600 processor that comes with 6 cores and 12 threads. You can edit your 1080p videos perfectly with this processor because the video editing requires a lot more CPU power than the GPU power. Now it is time to choose our RAM, which you can call memory or random access memory. So I am choosing at 2 sticks of 16 gigs of RAM. You can choose, you can buy cores here or crucial ones. But if you have a little more budget, you can then buy some more sticks of RAM and then install it in your computer later. For storage, I am using a Crucial 250 gigs of P2 NVMe PCI M2 internal SSD. SSDs are recommended. You can store your programs, Adobe Premiere, Adobe After Effects, and Adobe Photoshop, and you will see a huge difference in speed and in the opening of these softwares. Moving on to the most important part of computer and most favorite part of every gamer, that is our display or graphic card. So I have chosen a graphic card of AMD Radeon RX 580. Here comes the thing which will supply juice to our machine, and that is our PSU, or you can call it power supply. I am choosing a 650 watt version of power supply because it is almost okay with the specs of our PC. Here comes the last thing, which is going to hold all of our PC components in one place, and that is the casing of our PC. I am not going fancy with it, I am just choosing a simple but amazing casing, and that is this you can see on the screen. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you find something useful from all this, and don't forget to leave some feedback down in the comment section below.